Hello guys, today I will show you how I make this chicken adobo with gata or coconut milk. And here are the ingredients: garlic cloves, sliced onion, peppercorns and bay leaves, chicken thighs or legs, vinegar, soy sauce, and coconut milk. First, I'm gonna marinate the chicken with soy sauce, vinegar, peppercorns and bay leaves, and I will add some garlic cloves. Then I will just saute the onion with a little bit of oil until it's soft and add the remaining garlic cloves. Then I will put the chicken and cook it until it's brown. Then add the marinated sauce. When the sauce is a little bit thick, then I will add the coconut milk and cook it in a low heat for about 30 to 40 minutes until it's done. When the sauce is thick like this, then it's done. Voila! My chicken adobo with gata or coconut milk. Ta-da! Enjoy!